Hi everyone, hope you're all doing okay. So the Ford Transit video, I must apologise. I see a lot of comments saying, Rob, did you program in the injectors? And the answer to that was yes. And then Chris did say, Rob, you probably should have included that because so many people did ask. I did program them in, and of course I got a lot of replies saying I would have really liked to have seen you do that, Rob. So I've decided to do this short video just showing me actually doing it. I'll redo one of them, but I'm not going to redo all four, but it's very self-explanatory and you can see how I did do it. So most important, while the engine was out, you can do it while the engine's in the vehicle. It definitely can be done. On the top of every injector there is a 6-digit code, and it can just contain numbers, just contain letters, or mixed numbers and letters. So you can see there, number 1 injector, please excuse my handwriting, is 91 Alpha Juliet Delta Foxtrot. And sorry about that as well, it just stops you from forgetting. Alpha Delta Foxtrot Kilo Golf Juliet. See, that one just contains letters. That one there, 2 numbers, 4 letters. That one there, 1 number and 5 letters. So into the diagnostic machine that just turns itself off randomly. I think it's just gone to sleep, that's it. Into Ford. Again, I may cut if this does take a little while to do. So automatic selection, we're going to go for, read the VIN number. Okay, that VIN number, because that's correct. So on the front screen, normally it comes up here, diagnostic, hot functions, etc. We're not going to go for diagnostic on this one. So full transit tells you exactly what it is. We click yes on there. System data loading. I guess this is more of a step-by-step for you guys that have got to do it on your vans, because whether you've got a Ford Ranger or a Transit, you've got to do it. So you can see there, diagnostic, hot functions or vehicle profile. We're going to go hot functions. Sorry, we do know this is a little bit slow. So fuel injector correction factors. You can reset all of them or do one individually each. But because we didn't know the history of this engine, all the injectors, I went for the whole lot. So click OK. Operation information. Do you wish to continue? Yes. Switch the ignition on. We've got it on. That's OK there. The code shown here is specifically for the injector. This is an example only of the injector code. So 86 FCDA. So that's telling you what you're looking for in your vehicle. And as you can see there, look, cylinder 1, 91 AJDF. 91 AJDF. Number 2, ADFKGJ. ADFKGJ. Number 3 is 96 DKDF. So 96 DKDF. And then number 4 is down here, 9 Bravo Delta Lima Echo Foxtrot. 9 Bravo Delta Lima Echo Foxtrot. So these do come up with random codes. And if I click in this box, it should, right, well, you just click in the box, press the X to delete it. So that's gone now. When I start to punch that 91 Alpha code back in there, it will bring up possibly that same code and the previous code that was on that injector. So let's do that, 91 Alpha. Yeah, see, it's come up there, and there's the previous code, 91 Alpha. JDF, Juliet Delta Foxtrot, JDF, and then we click enter. OK. Set ignition switch to 0, off. OK. Switch it back on. OK. Establishing vehicle communication. Powertrain control module reset. Set ignition to off again. OK. Set it to on. OK. Sorry guys, I appreciate there's a bit of glare. So then you just want to check all of these numbers here are the same as your injectors, and you can see there. So number 4 injector is 9 Bravo Delta Lima Echo Foxtrot, that's correct. And then number 3, 96 DKDF, that's correct. Number 2, ADFKGJ, that's correct. And then number 1, 91 AJDF, 91 AJDF, they're all correct. So press OK again. Set ignition to 0. Sorry guys, it is a lot of ignition on and off. Operation information. Are you sure you want to update? Are you sure to update another injector? Yes. Set ignition to on. Okay. And then we're back to the main page again. So that is it. That is all of those new injectors learnt in, and even if they got mixed up, now they're in the right place and they're programmed right. 3, 2, 1. There we go. Swiss watch. I do hope this video was helpful, guys, and of course if there's anything in future videos that I've missed and you do want to see, I'll quite happily put another one of these little videos out. Have a great evening everyone.